Hey guys, BrickQueen back here once again with day number 13 of the LEGO Star Wars Advent Calendar. And let's go ahead and open it up and see what we have behind door number 13, if I can get into the box. Alright, we have an assassin droid. Go ahead and open this up. Put this together real quick. I can get all the pieces out. Alright. So let's just start from the bottom, shall we? Make sure I turn this the right direction. Right. Oh, that's how they connect the head. Okay. Wasn't sure about that. Okay, just lost that. Let's see, where did that go? Sorry about that, guys. That just totally fell completely off the table, but I located it. Yay! Okay. And hopefully I can put the rest of this together without losing any more parts. Let's see. Small part goes at the top. Must have picked up some cat fur. I can't get rid of it. Okay, so there we go. Now we have an assassin droid after I've barely opened the door to it and then dropped part of it in the floor. We finally have it completed. We have an assassin droid for today. So anyway, join us tomorrow to see what else we have for this calendar and see how many more times I drop stuff in the floor while trying to build.